Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. Let's give this video a full watch and a thumbs up. Today I'm going to show you guys my take on the viral TikTok feta pasta. I'm going to show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. So I did go in with 2 containers of the cherry tomatoes. Don't forget all your fruits and vegetables, give them a good wash. Next, I added my tomatoes to my baking pan. Next, I went in with my feta crumble. I couldn't find the block of feta cheese, so this I had to use. It worked just as well. So I went in with 3 containers of that. Next, I went in with my extra virgin olive oil. Then a tablespoon of minced garlic. A teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt as well as black pepper. Then I went in with a teaspoon of red chili flakes and Italian seasoning. I did also add fresh basil to this. I didn't get that on camera, but add fresh basil. With my little spin on it, I added shrimp, so I did go in with a teaspoon of butter, half a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and a teaspoon of minced garlic. I let that go until it became fragrant. Then I added my shrimp. The seasonings for the shrimp, I did add a pinch of garlic salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of Cajun seasoning. Again, adjust the seasonings to your liking. Shrimp only takes about 1 to 2 minutes to fully cook. Now I do have my water boiling. For my pasta, remember to overly salt your water. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So I am going to be using the baby bow tie pasta. I did add 2.5 cups of that, but I do recommend using 3. Don't forget to undercook your pasta. That one goes for 7 minutes, so I did only cook it for 6 minutes. So my mixture is complete. It has been about 35 minutes, so I did take my tomatoes and cheese out and just started breaking them down slowly. Then I go in with my baby bow tie pasta. And don't worry, the pasta will absorb a lot of the oil that you use. If you guys haven't tried this, you should really try this pasta. It was so good. Now I'm just going to show you guys how I plate. I went in with 2 spoons of that. Then I added some Parmesan cheese on top. Added my shrimp. And you guys know I like my spice, so I did add more red chili flakes. Now you can go in with parsley like I did, or you can add more of the fresh basil on top. This is a good idea for like date night. It's really, really good. Please give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content, and hit the bell notification down below. I will be doing more videos like this. So if you guys have any recommendations, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. For more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.